Introducing the First Time G-Spot Tulip, a powerful, velvety soft, lightweight G-Spot vibe made of a safe and pure hard plastic material. At 6 3/4 inches long and 1.5 inches wide, it's perfectly angled for G-spot stimulation or use on any part of your body. Using your G-Spot Tulip for G-spot stimulation will guarantee your first time won't be your last. It's easy to use. Just twist the end cap to change the multi-speed vibrations. This G-Spot vibe uses 2 AA batteries and comes in pastel pink or purple. The First Time G-Spot Tulip is also waterproof for fun in or out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your G-Spot Tulip with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. With a First Time G-Spot Tulip, you'll never forget your first time.